Hello guys and welcome to the first video on this channel. Today I will show you how to make a simple maze game in Scratch. So let's start. At first you got to delete the Scratch cat and create a new sprite. Draw a character that replicates the player. I drawn a simple rectangle with eyes for the player. Next, name the sprite however you want. Now we make a second sprite and paint our level. You can create your own level design and don't need to copy mine. As you can see, my player is too big for the level. So I change the size to 40. Drag the player to the start of your maze. Then add the go to block and enter the coordinates of your player. Add forever to the script and drag out if then 4 times. Put in the key press code and choose the buttons you want to use for your games. I'm gonna use the arrow button for the movement. Go to motion and add the change X by and change Y by scripts. I use the number 3 and -3, but you can use any number you like. Now put all together. If you did everything right, you should now be able to move. But as you can see, we have the problem that we can go through walls. To fix that, drag the code out and split it again. Now put another if-then block in the 4 scripts. Put a touching color in, select the color of your level and put the script above in the if block, but change the number to the opposite. Connect everything again and test it. I recognized that my player was too big to fit through this gap, so I changed the size to 30. But we want more levels than just one, so go to the level costume and add everything you want to touch to get to the next level. I just made a red circle. Now make a new level. And when green flag is clicked, go to 0, 0. Go to the player and add the following code. You need to choose the color of your own object. Then broadcast next level, copy the go-to script at the start of the code and drag it underneath. Go to the level again. Add switch to costume 1. Switch to the next costume when I receive next level. Now test it. When we touch the red circle, the level switches to level 2. Great! We built a simple maze game in Scratch. We hope you enjoyed our first video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye and see you in our next video.